Hi everyone, today I want to share Five Little Birds. It's a Feltboard story that I do during our spring unit or also our bird unit. All the patterns are included that you see here, the tree branches, the nest, the five birds, and the sun. The sun is a full-size sun, but it just got cut off because it didn't fit too well with the video. You can find all these patterns on my website, and I'll have them linked up below for you here in the description. Five little birds sitting in a tree. Can you count them with me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One flew away to look for food, and then there were four. Four little birds sitting in a tree. Can you count them with me? 1, 2, 3, 4. One flew away to help build a nest, and then there were three. Three little birds sitting in a tree. Can you count them with me? 1, 2, 3. One flew away to visit his friends, and then there were two. Two little birds sitting in a tree. Can you count them with me? 1, 2. One flew away to find water, and then there was one. One little bird sitting in a tree. Can you count with me? 1. He flew away to get warm in the sun, and then there was none. No more little birds sitting in the tree. Soon the little birds flew back to the tree. They were all as happy as can be. Can you count them with me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 little birds sitting in a tree. If you like the ideas and materials I present in my videos, it would really mean a lot to me if you'd comment, like, share, and subscribe. For 5 Little Birds, I'm Shelley Levette with childcareland.com, and thanks for watching.